things are really going to go ballistic next year, and really ballistic in 27 and 28.
That's Elon Musk during Tesla's latest investor call, where he dropped some new tidbits about the EV maker's plans to scale production of its Optimus humanoid robots.
The future is going to be incredibly different from the past, that's for sure. We live at this unbelievable inflection point in human history.
During the call, Musk said Tesla had a record-breaking 2024 with nearly 2 million cars delivered. However, the company's profits fell short of expectations as it faces stiffening competition from Chinese firms like Unitree, whose humanoid robots went viral for their mesmerizing performance during China's Lunar New Year festivities. Musk said he believes its AI-powered Tesla bot and self-driving cars will make the company worth more than the top 5 global companies combined. In the end, Musk predicts Optimus alone could be a $10 trillion business.
I'm making, these revenue predictions that sound absolutely insane. I realize that. But they are, I think they will prove to be accurate.
Musk said training is a major challenge for commercializing Optimus, with 10 times more AI training required than Tesla's autonomous vehicles.
At least to get to the full range of useful roles. You can say, how many different roles are there for a humanoid robot versus a car? The humanoid robot has probably 1,000 times more uses and more complex things than a car.
He also took a subtle jab at the open AI-led Stargate project's estimated total cost of $500 billion.
Now, you can do this progressively, so it doesn't mean Tesla's going to spend $500 billion in training compute. Because we will obviously train Optimus to do enough tasks to match the output of Optimus robots.
He said the cost of training is dropping fast, which makes wide-scale deployment more realistic. Tesla started using Generation 2 Optimus robots in its Gigafactory in 2024 for repetitive tasks.
Now, with Optimus, there's a lot of uncertainty on the exact timing because it's not like a train arriving at the station for Optimus. We are designing the train and the station and in real time while also building the tracks. and so they're like, why didn't the train arrive exactly at 12:05? I'm like, we're literally designing the train and the tracks in the station in real time so you're like, how can we predict this thing with absolute precision? It's impossible.
Musk said Tesla plans to release a second production version of Optimus in early to mid-2025. Tesla might start selling its humanoids in very limited quantities in the second half of the year.
The Optimus in use at the Tesla factories, production design 1, will inform what we change for production design 2, which we expect to launch next year. And our goal is to ramp Optimus production faster than maybe anything's ever been ramped. Meaning aspirationally, an order of magnitude ramp per year. Now, if we aspire to an order of magnitude ramp per year, perhaps we only end up with a half order of magnitude per year. But that's the kind of growth that we're talking about.
As noted by the Humanoid Hub on the X social media platform, Tesla is ramping up hiring for manufacturing its robots. The company recently added 11 new job postings for its Fremont and Palo Alto facilities. The listings seek engineering technicians who will help build, repair, and refine Tesla's first robot manufacturing lines. Tesla says the manufacturing system will produce highly actuated and electronically and computationally dense robots with complex hardware and AI integrations. The hiring push aligns with Musk's 2025 timeline for scaling production of Optimus.
Normal internal plan calls for roughly 10,000 Optimus robots to be built this year. Will we succeed in building 10,000 exactly by the end of December this year? Probably not. But will we succeed in making several thousand? Yes, I think we will. Will those several thousand Optimus robots be doing useful things by the end of the year? Yes, I'm confident they will do useful things.
In a recent interview for CES 2025, Musk expressed optimism about Tesla's production plans for 2025.
But then, assuming things go well, we'll 10x that output next year. So we'll aim to do maybe 50 to 100,000 humanoid robots next year, and then 10x it again the following year. It's like 500,000 robots in 3 years. That's a lot.
That is a lot.
Yeah. I was telling you guys, like, well, maybe we should think of this in terms of Roman legions. How many legions of robots will we have? Like a Roman legion is 5,000
So
troops.
when
Musk believes robots like Optimus will help usher in an age of abundance where the cost of goods and services is close to zero.
Well, every human is going to want one, most likely, and some will want two, and then there'll be all of industry in terms of providing products and services. So that you have to say, what's the ratio of humanoid robots to humans? My guess is it's at least 3 to 1, 4 to 1, maybe 5 to 1. So we're talking about 20, 30 billion humanoid robots. It's not even clear what money means at that point, or if there's any meaningful cap on the economy. I think at that point, assuming that things haven't gone awry, in the good AI scenario, I think we won't have universal basic income. We'll have universal high income.
so these
Tesla is developing the third generation version of the Tesla bot. The next iteration's hands will reportedly have 22 degrees of freedom, which Musk says is enough to perform virtually any human task. Human hands have 27 degrees of freedom. The hand's dexterity is double that of the current iteration.
This is an entirely new supply chain. It is entirely new technology. There's nothing off the shelf to use. We tried desperately with Optimus to use any existing motors, any actuators, sensors. Nothing worked for a humanoid robot at any price. We had to design everything from physics-first principles to work for a humanoid robot, and with the most sophisticated hand that has ever been made before, by far. And Optimus will be able to play the piano, and be able to thread a needle.
In December 2024, the company released footage of an Optimus robot traversing rough terrain for the very first time. In the video, the robot walks on mulched ground without camera vision, relying on onboard sensors and neural networks to navigate autonomously. The AI controls each limb independently without the need for teleoperation. The neural network processes data in just 2 to 3 milliseconds. Optimus humanoids will likely be pricey when they're first available to the general public. However, Musk says the price should drop dramatically once production is scaled. Like other major players in humanoid robotics, Tesla aims for pricing between $20,000 and $30,000. To keep up with the Tesla Optimus as it inches toward mass deployment, make sure to subscribe.